After purchasing your VPS from RackNerd, you'll receive an email with your server's IP address, username, and password. Usually, the default username is root. If you're on Windows, I recommend using an app like Putty. On Mac or Linux, just open the built-in terminal. Then, type the following command. Replace your server IP with the actual IP address of your VPS. Now enter the root password that was sent to you by RackNerd. Note, when you type or paste the password, it won't show any characters. That's normal. Just type it carefully and press enter. You're now logged into your RackNerd VPS via SSH. From here, you can start installing software, hosting websites, or setting up your projects.